It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Equal parts suave and stout, this multitasking Silverado is a powerful personality. It's well equipped with the features you need: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, engine auto stop start feature, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, power tilt down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and V8 engine. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Take it for a test drive today.
Lakeside Chevrolet is your new and used Dallas Chevrolet leader at 2005 South Goliad Street in Rockwall, Texas, just minutes from Garland and Dallas.